Dear my customer, here I will show you the wire connection between our brushless DC motor and the DMKBS controller. First, we see the specification of this motor. We can see the rated power for this motor is 450 watts and the rated voltage is 24 and the rated speed for this motor is 2000 RPM. This motor has warm gearbox. Here we see the wire from the motor first. These three wires is a phase wire. The red one is U, yellow one is V, and the black one is W. So we connect to the controller UVW. The wire definition on the wire, so it's easy for you to connect the wire correctly. Another wire from the motor is a Hall sensor wires. We have a quick connector, the green one, to connect together. So you just need to connect the quick connector together. That will be easy for this. Here we can see other wires. This is the power wire. The black one is negative, the red one is positive. Also, another important thing is this fine red wire from the controller. This red wire will also need to connect to the positive of the power supply. This is very important. And here we can see this is a switch. We can use this switch to start and stop the motor and also change the direction. Here is another part. We can call it like some throttle. We use this part to adjust the speed of the motor. There just all the wire connection between the motor and the DMKBS controller. Later, I will show you a simple operation for this motor. First, we need to power on. The voltage for the power supply is 24. We use this switch. Okay. We use this part to increase the speed. We can see the motor is running. Decrease the speed to 0. Okay, stop. We also can use this part to change direction and use this part to increase the speed. We can see the rotate direction is changed. Okay, that's a simple operation. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.